The Value of Time, a motivational story that will change your life. In a small, bustling town, there lived a clockmaker named Mr. Harrison, known for crafting the most intricate and reliable clocks. His workshop was filled with the steady tick-tock of timepieces, their hands moving with a precision that mesmerized anyone who visited. Among the many eager learners in the town, a young boy named Ethan became Mr. Harrison's apprentice. Ethan was full of enthusiasm but lacked discipline. He often arrived late, shrugged off small tasks, and didn't focus during lessons. One day, Mr. Harrison decided to teach him a lesson about the value of time. Handing Ethan a delicate, unfinished pocket watch, he said, "This watch is special. It will teach you something no book or lecture can." Ethan worked on the watch for days but couldn't figure out why it wouldn't tick properly. Frustrated, he asked his mentor for help. Mr. Harrison smiled and said, "This watch mirrors your habits. Every time you delay, rush, or ignore details, its mechanism falters. But when you treat each moment with care, it will tick perfectly." Intrigued, Ethan started observing his own behavior. He began arriving on time, taking his tasks seriously and paying attention to the smallest details. As his focus improved, the watch's mechanism began ticking smoothly. The moment he held the fully functioning watch in his hands, Mr. Harrison said, "Ethan, time is the most valuable gift we have. When you waste it, you lose something that can never be regained. But when you honor it, it rewards you with precision and success." From that day forward, Ethan not only excelled his craft, but also transformed into a punctual, reliable, and disciplined young man. Years later, he became a renowned clockmaker, always keeping the lesson of time close to his heart. Above his workshop door, he hung a sign that read, "Every tick is a chance. Don't waste it."